Tim Prugar here, Head of Product and Engineering at fileAI, and wanted to show a brief demo of how I use fileAI's MCP Server to execute on basic tasks within the fileAI interface. So first and foremost, everything at fileAI starts with a file. So I'm going to start with a file upload. And one of the things that's really incredible about MCP is the ability to drive these actions with natural language. So I'm going to say right away to upload documents to fileAI using MCP, and I'm going to give exactly the path of the documents that I want to upload. So in this case, a medical receipt and a medical report. So automatically, the agent calls the correct API endpoints, the upload file request. It gives me the pre-signed S3 upload URL, and asks me what I want to do. So it says, do you want to upload these files, or would you like the full URL? So I say, upload them for me. I get the exact curl requests to execute on both, and then I get confirmation that both documents have been uploaded and are being processed. So if I want to check the processing status, just prompting with natural language, it immediately calls the correct API endpoints, lets me know that there's no processing status, they're still in flight. I choose to ask again, I'm feeling impatient, get the same response. And finally I ask, and both of my documents have been processed. So I give the natural language directive to the agent, and it immediately figures out my intent, what resources are at its disposal, and what resources or tools to execute to do the task. In this case, the get all documents endpoint. So I get the list of my documents, I get the list of the file names, the summary of the documents, which is nice, so that I can know what each document is roughly about. And then I say clearly, hey, I want the OCR output of the medical report document. So it calls that particular endpoint, the get file OCR, and returns right in my client here all of the information from the document, so the OCR output. So all of that's right there, and if I want something a little bit different, let's say I want the get OCR output of medical bill document. You can see in real time, calling that OCR, populating all of the information, and providing for me directly in my client via MCP.